Welcome back to the channel. In today's audio we are going to talk about one of the most important safety systems on board a ship, the emergency fire pump. This equipment plays a major role during any fire emergency, especially when the main fire pump fails. So listen carefully till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more marine safety and machinery explanations. The emergency fire pump is a standalone fire pump located outside the engine room, usually in the forecastle area. Its purpose is to supply firefighting water when the main fire pump is not available. Since it is placed away from the engine room, it remains safe and functional even if the engine room catches fire or becomes flooded. SALAS requires every ship to have this pump to ensure that fire main pressure is always available, no matter what situation occurs. We use the emergency fire pump during engine room fires, during breakdown of the main fire pump, during blackout conditions, and during weekly or monthly drills. Weekly checks include verifying motor ampere, vibrations, abnormal noise, checking suction and discharge valves, running the pump briefly, and observing any leakage or abnormal sound. Monthly checks include running the pump under load, checking fire main pressure, operating deck hydrants, checking suction pressure, cleaning sea suction strainers, confirming the emergency electrical supply, and ensuring the pump runs smoothly without vibration. The pump must provide at least 3.5 to 4 bar of pressure at the farthest hydrant while running 2 fire hoses with nozzles. Even though many pumps give higher pressure at the discharge, the SALAS requirement is 3.5 bar at the hydrant. Testing the pump involves informing the bridge, confirming valve positions, starting the pump locally, and checking the pressure by opening the nearest and farthest hydrants. A two-hose test is also done by opening one hydrant forward and one aft. After the test, the pump is stopped, the area is inspected, and valves are returned to normal. Thank you for listening. If you found this explanation useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps bring more marine-related safety content. Stay safe on board, and see you in the next video.